Well, welcome back to the channel. We'll just keep going with the Bill of Rights. Sorry, it's been a bit. It's been extremely cold out, so I'm not sitting out my car reading in the sub-zero weather. So, we're on Amendment 19, ratified in 1920. There you go. Take a look. Go ahead and read it for yourself. There you go. And there's our author's notes. Okay, let's go ahead. Amendment 19. The rights of the citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state on account of sex. Congress shall have the power to enforce this article by appropriate legislation. So it sounds like this is women's suffrage. Note the identical wording in Section 1 of the 15th Amendment, with sex taking the place of race, color, and previous conditions of servitude. Why had the 15th Amendment, which guaranteed blacks the right to vote, not included women who had to wait another half century? After the Civil War, granting African Americans the right to vote was controversial enough in the North as well as in the South. Some suffrage recognized that combining the two issues might doom them both. Were willing to wait their turn as male reformers requested them to do so. Others were solely disappointed that women were not included and tried to push the matter in court. They claimed unsuccessfully that women were being denied equal protection of the law, which Section 1 of the 14th Amendment demanded. The split of the suffrage movement continued for generations. Unable to amass a unified national campaign, activists turned to the states, and that's where the battle was ultimately won. For the Constitution guaranteed women throughout the nation the right to vote. 15 states granted suffrage for all elections. 8 more allowed women to vote in the presidential elections, and even more other states women could only vote in primaries and in local elections. Only 7 states kept women on the ballot in all elections. As a momentum mounted, there was one hurdle: resistance from anti-temperance interests, breweries, distillers, and drinkers. The temperance movement was dominant by women, and everybody knew that once women got their franchise, prohibition would surely follow. In fact, that played out in reverse. Note the ratification dates for the 18th Amendment, 1919, and the 19th Amendment. Once prohibition had been written into the Constitution, one primary reason to deny the women the right to vote disappeared. So, my 19th Amendment gave the women the right to vote. So if you have any questions or concerns, put them in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and God bless and take care.